Picture this. You want to run an email marketing campaign for the prospects in your HubSpot CRM to raise awareness about your products or services, but you realize that you've not segregated them well. Most of the time, your marketing or sales team forgets to populate this field, so the whole data typically is useless. What if you could automate this process as per criteria defined by you so that you can eliminate these manual interventions altogether? Enter lifecycle stage automation. Lifecycle stage automation helps you set lifecycle stages for contacts as per your rules and then automatically sets them up for you. Let's see how we do that. So to start off with, we need to go to settings, go to contacts, go to lifecycle stages, and here is where all the magic happens. Here is where you can automate this whole process. And the first thing which you could do is sync lifecycle stages. So this will directly sync your contacts lifecycle stages with the primary company stages so that everything is uniform over here. And here is where you could set these stages. So for example, I can set, so this is for the starter plan. For your enterprise and professional plans, you could go even a step further and create workflows for multiple other lifecycle stages as well. Hopefully one day, when I have enough money to purchase the enterprise or the professional plan, I will create a tutorial for that as well. But to start off with, even on startup plan, you're not limited to anything. You could just go on to this page and set this up. So if we read, set the life cycle stage when a contact or company is created. So for example, if I want that over here when this particular thing happens, I want it to be a lead. I'll just put it there. When a deal is created, if I want this to be a marketing qualified lead, as per my criteria, I can set this as a marketing qualified lead. And when a deal is won, I can set it to obviously to a customer, and I can directly save it over here. So that is it. That is how easy it is to set this automation on and enjoy the benefits over here. One extra pointer over here is if you want to add another stage or if you want something, because these are the default values which HubSpot gives. So if you have your own naming convention in your organization and you want to add it, you could just add a stage over here. And so for example, if I want to put in create a stage name called prospect, I could create this lifecycle stage over here. And now if I like when a contact or company is created, not always would this be a deal 100%, but it could be a prospect. So if I want to set it up into a prospect, all I need to do is just click it over here, select it, and save the changes, and it will change it for all the contacts, even the pre-existing ones. Yep. So that is it. And that is how you set life cycle stages and automate this process. Thank you.